Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. It's been a minute since I've done an unboxing video on this channel. I've been doing a lot more on my secondary channel, which is construction oriented, so that's where a majority of my unboxing videos are at. So let's open this up. I've been looking for this model for a while. It popped up on eBay a couple times, but the price wasn't right until this one popped up. I'm so glad that I finally got it. Now, I ordered this back in December, and it was shipped December 24th, but then it went AWOL, and it popped up yesterday at a nearby suburb, and it's here today. As you can see on the box, it is a 1 to 32nd scale Chicago Fire Department Laverne pumper. This is a HME SFO 1871 pumper with a Laverne body, and it's in engine 102. I believe there's two other versions of this. I believe it's engine 46 and 59. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. So yes, this is a very big model. If I can get this out. Oh, there's the glass right there. And also it's made by Code 3, as you can see the sticker. Code 3. I'm not going to put that sticker anywhere. Probably put it on my laptop. I'm lying. This is the top. It has a Chicago Fire Department pamphlet. Diamond plate series number 2. So this is the second engine they made. Is this the top or the bottom? I don't know. Limited edition certificate number 2962 out of 3500, December 1st 2000. And here's the base plate for it, if I can get it out. Actually, wait a minute, is this the top or the bottom? Oh, it's the side. Here it is. Zoom in on it. Take this out carefully. This is a very delicate model. It's also rare too, so you cannot find these anywhere else except eBay. Ooh, she's cold. Been behind a truck for a long time. Engine 102 is a engine company based out of Rogers Park, housed with truck 25 and ambulance 56. Their firehouse is on Clark and Chase, I believe. I think that's Chase over there. Unfortunately, they do not have this engine anymore. They got into an accident, and the engine was deemed unrepairable. So they had a 2004 spare until they got a 2020 E1 Cyclone 2, which is their current rig. I think I have a picture of it, I'm not sure, but yeah, they have a 2020 fire engine. Or 2021, I don't remember. It's a pretty new engine. But yeah, this is a again, a 1998 due to the body. 1998 HME SFO 1871 chassis with a Laverne body. Laverne's also by Spartan, but at this time it's Laverne. Alright, yeah, finally got this. Also, one more thing. I've been inside the cab of this fire engine. I understand why the firefighters do not like this chassis. Pretty cramped for a tall person. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys in a little bit, because I got 2 more added to the Chicago collection. It hasn't been shipped yet, but it should be coming pretty soon, so stay tuned for 2 more videos on this channel. See you guys next time.